Brand new circular saw if you want it.
Yeah?
All right.
Heck yeah.
Everything works.
Oh wow, this is great. It's pretty cool. It looks like it might be copper. Well, that's a good first find of the night. Yeah, that's what I saw when I was driving by. Look at that beaut. That's cool. Vintage tin. Dancing ladies. Yeah, I'll take that. Looks like some copper cups in there. Alright. I hope that bottom doesn't fall out. Dishwasher, high chair. There's a basketball in there. Oh, I don't know. Could be mice. Could be mice. I thought I saw a pumpkin head. I did, but I don't want to tear his bag open at the bottom. Napa creeper. All right. And a little flower pot holder thing. It's missing a wheel. That's okay. Okay. Yeah, all right. Thank you.
I got a brand new circular saw if you want it.
Yeah?
All right.
Heck yeah.
Everything works.
Oh wow, this is great.
You know, we're no basement.
Yeah.
Can't take it all. I took what I could. And
Sure. I appreciate it.
Sure.
Thanks so much.
See it go to someone who's gonna make use of it.
Okay.
I was happy to see you pull up.
Oh yeah. I'll
Brand new.
definitely. Oh, that's awesome. I go around and find usable things.
Very usable.
All right. Thank you. That's great. Better than going in the landfill, right? Yeah.
This is aluminum, I think. This
Okay.
you want that?
Yeah. I'll load it all up. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay. Thank you. Yeah, those are aluminum. Nice and light. Where are you moving to? Aurora, that's not that far. Yeah. Okay. Gotcha. So a smaller space.
Yeah.
You're not going to Florida or the Caribbean. Sure. Yeah. I believe how light those rails are. I'm surprised.
Definitely aluminum.
Yeah. Oh, was it a bed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ladder. You got slats for the bed or no?
No, I don't think I'm just gonna scrap the frame, so
Okay.
maybe somebody can use that for campfire wood. I could actually
Back in.
use the ladder, yeah. Copper in that. Oh yeah. Copper in the motor and in the cord. Like 90%'s plastic, but there's a little motor in there. And that big long cord will work. Here, I'll grab it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Stop by next week. I'm still clearing out.
I will. Count on it. Yeah, thank you. I'm glad. I'm glad. Hi. Christmas lights. The microwave cookbook. What is that? That's cool. Wow, is that heavy? That is one cool mirror. Made in China. China. It's made in China. There's another whammo board. I've got one of those the other day. I don't have another one. Look at those little high chairs. Wow. Those are cool. That's old. Got little arms. The little arms broken. Some Halloween signs. Those are kind of cool. It's like a giant volleyball net. Not gonna take it. It's sticking out of the back. Hey JJ. Big night tonight. And that is one cool chair. Broken. I'm gonna take that. But it looks cool. Some kind of leopard skin seat, but I really stopped for a fishing pole. Yeah, it's got the reel on it and everything. About that, that's a big unit. Conti. I'll take a Conti fishing pole. Heck yeah. All right. Woohoo. Yeah, buddy. dollhouse. Oh, it's heavy. That is amazing. Jeez, somebody made that. That is so cool. Man, I wish I could take that. It's so big. That's really cool. I hope somebody picks that up. That's heavy. I wonder if it works. That chair is right out of the 70s.
I can take it to him. I don't know if she wants these books.
No, I'll take you. Leave them there.
I asked Miss Cynthia if she wanted them for her class.
I'll take her. I'll give her a ton of books. Because we have a bunch of me and Sandra. Tell her I'll bring her some the Friday after you guys are done. The one Thursday after you guys are done. Next Thursday.